Mechanism for implementation of the law could stop until at least the arguments could be heard and a decision made by the court.
Officials from a local school corporation are involved with a lawsuit against the state. Good evening, I'm Aaron Leedy. Thanks for spending your Friday evening with us. Indiana's new school voucher law took effect today and is already being challenged by many across the state, saying that it violates separation of church and state. As many new laws across Indiana take effect, one is already trying to be stopped. Today, the Indiana State Teachers Association and the National Education Association filed a lawsuit against the state challenging the constitutionality of Indiana's new school voucher program.
There's a clear constitutional language, we believe, that says that no money from the Indiana Treasury can go to support a religious institution.
LSC Superintendent Ed Eiler, along with 3 others involved with the corporation, joined as plaintiffs in the lawsuit. Eiler says even as the bill was going through the legislature, there were multiple concerns. Those from across Indiana involved with the lawsuit argue public taxpayer dollars would fund religious-based schools. School choice advocates called the lawsuit a shame.
Really tragic and misguided that ISTA is doing this. In fact, they are doing it in such a way as they might be scared of the opportunities that parents really want and the schools will offer.
We're talking about taking millions of dollars from our public school children to advantage those in a different setting.
Today's request was an injunction, meaning the law could be stopped until the arguments could be heard in the courtroom. In a statement, State Superintendent of Public Instruction Tony Bennett says we fully expected litigation related to House Enrolled Act 1003. During the lengthy public debate in the 2011 legislative session, the opponents made it clear they would challenge the new law. We are confident the courts will agree that this new law is both constitutional and in the best interests of Hoosier children.
The Constitution ensures that Indiana taxpayers do not have to spend their tax dollars to support religious schools, places of worship, and that certainly is part of this bill.
And as far as testifying, Eiler says at this particular time it's not clear what the role of those involved from LSC will be.